fabric of our planet. International Day for Biological Diversity is celebrated every year on 22nd May since 2001, and every year it has a different theme. This year the theme is We Are Part of the Solution. We, the students of Sachdeva Public School, are celebrating the International Day for Biological Diversity. Let's have a close look on the innovative ideas shared by the little creative minds of Sachdevians.
The UN has proclaimed May 22nd the International Day for Biological Diversity. The annual day aims to increase understanding and spread awareness about issues governing biodiversity. UNESCO plays an important role in shaping directly and fuel a dialogue on environmental challenges and their implications, both ethical and for peace in the world. UNESCO's partners, diverse networks and programs have observed positive changes around the world. Given the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, Biodiversity Day 2021 will be celebrated through an online-only campaign.
We are part of the solution. The slogan was chosen to be a continuation of the momentum generated last year under the overarching theme, Our Solutions Are in Nature. This served as a reminder that the biodiversity remains the answer to several sustainable development challenges, from nature-based solutions to climate, health issues, food and water security. Biodiversity is the foundation upon which we can build back better.
In 1992, at the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, which is also known as the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, the state and the government leaders agreed on the strategy for sustainable development. In the Earth Summit, one of the most crucial agreements was the Convention on Biodiversity. This convention came into force on 29 December 1993 and was designated as the International Day of Biodiversity.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Gurpran Rishi of 9th class. As we all know that life exists on the planet Earth and we can't imagine our life without air, water, land and biodiversity. So these are the things which keep all living organisms including plants, animals and microorganisms alive as depicted in the posters. Thank you.
Plants and animals everywhere. Protect them all and show we care. From the smallest insect to the tallest tree, they are all important. That's biodiversity.
Love, be it a plant or the little dove. It is the time to show we care so that nobody dares to kill the hare. Save biodiversity.
Earth is beautiful. Let's keep it that way and improve for others too. Help the earth to breathe.
Protection and conservation of biodiversity is just as important to the survival of mankind as stabilizing the climate. Conservation of biodiversity is protection, upliftment and scientific management of biodiversity so as to maintain it at its threshold level and derive sustainable benefits for the present and future generations.
Biodiversity is a term used to describe the enormous variety of life on Earth. The core threats to biodiversity are human population growth, introduction of exotic species, climate change and deforestation. These are forcing changes that may lead to rise in sea level, extinction of species and eliminating of some islands.
We are a planet at the crossroads. Now more than ever, the planet needs our help. And we have the tools it takes as we are its stakeholders. So let's join our hands to save the earth, its biodiversity for generations to come.
Biodiversity is essential for health and well-being of humans. Studies prove that major pandemics such as COVID-19, AIDS, Ebola, etc. are not unrelated to the biodiversity crisis. Wild animals and birds are usual reservoirs of the major pathogens that are often malicious to humans. So friends, let's protect biodiversity to protect ourselves from such diseases.
biodiversity resources are used by humans. So, it's our primary responsibility to protect and preserve biodiversity. So today, we learned about saving biodiversity and how this helps nature to replenish its resources. But our efforts should not be just for celebrating one day, but for celebrating nature every day. Thank you, my dear friends and teachers. I hope you liked this presentation by such Deviants. Have a nice day.